Welcome, Rhonda here with Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to make this fruit salad dessert. The recipe comes from Marion up in Pennsylvania. Big shout out to her. The ingredients you are going to need is 12 ounces of mandarin oranges in their syrup, 1 20-ounce can of chunked pineapples, 2 large red apples. I'm using Fuji apple, but whichever red apples you'd like to use, you may. 16 ounces of cubed peaches. I've got 4 4-ounce containers here, but you can just go ahead and buy this 16-ounce can. If you'd like to substitute this with pears or a fruit cocktail, you may do that too. 1 cup of sour cream, 1/3 cup of thawed orange juice from concentrate, 1 3.4-ounce box of vanilla instant pudding, make sure it's instant, 1 cup of whole milk, and 3 bananas. You want a little green on your bananas because they'll hold up better here in this fruit salad. Let me show you how simple and easy this is to get together. I'm draining my fruit by using a sieve and a bowl underneath to catch all the juice. Add your heavy fruit first and your lighter fruit last. This way you're not going to get your light fruit squished by your heavy fruit, such as those pineapples. I always buy my fruit with no sugar added in the syrup. I find it's a lot better for salads such as these. Set this off to the side and let all those liquids drain off that fruit. It smells so good. In a large bowl, I'm adding my sour cream, that 1 cup milk, instant vanilla pudding, that thawed concentrate orange juice. Give this a lovely whisking until all 4 ingredients are well combined. And looking like this, that instant pudding is going to make it thick after you whisk it about 30 seconds. Sit this off to the side. I start by cutting down my apples. I cut 4 sides to where I'm going to have a straight side on my 4-quartered pieces of apple here. Take one of your quarters and we're just gonna give it a lovely little slicing, about 1/4 of an inch thick. Cut it down into cubes. I immediately add my apples into the pudding mixture, and you see that red? That's what you want to show here in your pudding mixture. And if you mix your apples into this right away, your apples aren't going to oxidize. That means you don't want them turning brown. For the bananas, I just cut off the ends. Take my knife, be real careful when working with a knife, and just peel the banana off. Yeah, I know, you know how to do that. And I like cutting my bananas about 1/4 of an inch thick. I like to leave them round so you can really know what you're biting into when you start eating your fruit dessert here. Add your banana rounds immediately into the pudding mixture and cover it to keep them from turning brown. You want them to stay lovely and white. Add all 3 bananas. Back with our peaches, mandarin oranges, and pineapples that we've drained. Make sure they're drained well. Back with our banana apple pudding mixture. We're going to add in all of our citrus fruits. Gently fold it in until every piece is covered with your pudding mixture. Be very careful now because you can break up your fruit. It's definitely what you don't want to do. And by the way, this makes 2.5 quart. Perfect for potluck, perfect for church gatherings, perfect for any large group. Excellent for a wonderful dessert. Now that you got all your fruit covered, cover with plastic wrap. Make sure it's sealed very tightly and refrigerate for the next 2 to 4 hours. I've had my fruit salad chilling for about 1.5 hours. We're gonna go in here and see how that fruit salad just holds together with that pudding. I'm just gonna put it here in a serving plate. Ooh, look at those apples. Ooh, and those bananas and oranges. I gotta put a little orange there on the top and see what it tastes like. Here we go. The citrus, the bananas, the pineapple. And that delicious pudding mixtures and those bananas just make it so delicious. This fruit salad dessert never disappoints. And just look at all those fabulous fruits. I'm Rhonda with Foods 101. Leave me a comment, give me thumbs up, and look at those crunchy apples, so delicious. Thanks a million for watching. Stay safe. And I'll catch you lovely people later.